Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a WordPress contact form. First, you'll need to select a reliable contact form plugin from the WordPress plugin directory. There are many excellent free options available, such as wpforms Lite, Contact Forms 7, or Ninja Forms. Once you've made your choice, simply install and activate the plugin directly from your WordPress dashboard. This initial step is crucial for getting started with your new contact form. Now that your plugin is active, it's time to build your form. Head over to the new menu item created by your plugin in the WordPress dashboard. Here, you can easily drag and drop various fields onto your form, such as name, email address, and a message area. Remember to customize field labels, add helpful placeholders, and mark essential fields as required to ensure you gather all necessary information from your visitors. With your form built, let's configure its settings. The most important step is setting up email notifications so you receive every submission at your preferred email address. You should also customize the confirmation message that users see after successfully submitting the form, providing a clear thank you. Finally, implement spam protection, like reCAPTCHA or a honeypot field, to keep unwanted submissions at bay and maintain form integrity. The final step is displaying your contact form on your website. You can easily embed it onto any page or post using a shortcode or a dedicated block editor block. It's highly recommended to create a specific Contact Us page for easy navigation. After embedding, always perform a thorough test by submitting the form yourself to confirm that notifications are working and all submissions are being received correctly. This ensures a smooth user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.